Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I'll guide you through Linktree Shop. In today's video, we will show you how to use Linktree Shop 2025 step by step. So here, first of all, you need to go to Google search bar and search for Linktree, Linktree, and enter. You can see here is the Linktree domain that says link in bio tool. Everything you are in one simple link. Let's click on that, and then we can see the Linktree website here. So first of all, we need to sign up for the Linktree account. So first of all, here we can see sign up free. Let's click on that. It will take us to the sign up app, just like sign up with Google, sign up with Apple. We'll go for the sign up with Google and just sign in to Linktree. Now in this page they want us to choose a Linktree username. Okay, Linktree slash username. So let's say Linktree slash Ricky. Let's see if it's free. No, it's not available. Is it available? No, not available. 0. Okay, so let's see our username will be Linktree slash Ricky 0. Okay, continue. And now it will take us to the which best describes your goal for using Linktree, creator, business, personal. I'll go for personal use. Okay, continue. So in this page, how do you want to make money? Services, experiences, food, or beverages? Retail, e-commerce, streams, YouTube tips, affiliate content. I'll choose affiliate, not streams, services, e-commerce. Okay, continue. It's saying standard with pro, continue with 70. No, will not select that. Skip. It says that we need to select starter, pro, premium. We can say as free option. We will go for the get started free option. Paste link tree, select template. Now we have to select that one template to use the link tree. We'll go for this. There's many more, but that one looks nice for me. Okay, start with this template. So it also says which platform are you on. So I have to give the platform I'm on. I'll just select randomly Amazon, website, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and that's all. Instagram. Okay, let's Instagram, Pinterest. Okay, continue. Okay, now they need my Amazon, website, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Pinterest links. They need my links. Okay, now I should tell you something about the link tree. Creators, influencers, and solo entrepreneurs needed frictionless ways to sell. Linktree Shop then was founded, and it's perfect for selling digital downloads, ebooks, templates, presets, accepting donations, offering coaching sessions, showcasing physical products without building a full website. So what you need before you start? So you will need a Linktree account, free or pro, Stripe account for payments, product image and details, and optional will be digital file or download like PDF, zip, MP4, etc. So let me give you a pro tip. Linktree Shop works best on pro, but basic selling is possible on free plans too. So we have to give them some of links, like let me search for some link, Amazon store link. I'll just provide a random link for Amazon store. Okay, where can I find my Amazon store? Stores. Let's Amazon stores. Okay, let's see here. I can see a store. Let's say it's a store. Where can I find the store link? Store link. I'll just give them the store links. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go back and just select YouTube, as it will be helpful and easy for me to show you. I'll just take a random YouTube. No, I don't want to create now. Digital products. I'll just take a random channel. Okay, let's go for this channel and give it's just showing for you, nothing else. It's not serious, guys. Okay, then continue finding your content. Linktree is already finding my content. Okay, make it well. Select profile image and okay. Okay, let's just do that. Continue. Calendly, no. Build my link tree, looking good. So boom, it already created a Linktree account for me. Okay, continue building. Start my 7-day. No, I don't need to start 7-day free trial. And here we can see there are many options here, like my link tree, copy your link tree. Well, we can share this link tree URL anywhere. Then my shop. Let's see our shop. Okay, here we can add some products. Like here are many products they have shown option, and my products, there are no products as I have not given any products here. So now we can just provide a product, and we can also add this product to our channel, to our account. Okay, I've added successfully. Okay, then on the next session we can see earn. Check it out. Okay, courses, digital products, free digital products. Selling is not enabled in your country. Okay, audience. Next we go for audience. Collect subscriber, create contact from, grow your audience. Turn on subscribe, your audience capture tools. Okay, analytics. We can see all the analytics from here on the dashboard section. Okay, link, shop, social icons, audiences, and all. And then you can see there are some tools like social planner, Instagram auto reply, link shortener. Okay, link shortener will help me shorten the link for any of the product I'll give. And the Instagram auto reply option will work only for auto replying Instagram if I connect my Instagram account with my Linktree account. Okay, social planner will be helping by start planning today, welcome to plan Linktree and all. We can also download the app from App Store if you use Apple, and Google Play if you use Android phone. So okay, now let me give you some bonus tips for maximizing your sale. Like bundle multiple products into one offer, as I have shown you on your shop, and use unlimited time pricing or flash sales, like just 24 hours left, or 48 hours left, or 5 minutes left, or 30 minutes left, something like that. And add testimonials or short videos to build trust. You have to engage your audience through that, and pin your top products link at the top of your Linktree list. And like this here, I have not added any other products, so you have to just add your product you want to wish to sell more on the front or top of your Linktree list, and add a newsletter sign up link to grow your email list too. So there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to setting up your Linktree shop in 2025, from adding products to collecting payments. It's the easiest way to start selling as a creator or small businesses right from your bio. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content creator tools and e-commerce hacks. Got questions about Linktree shop or what you sell? Drop them in the comments. I am here to help. Till the next video.